Hola mis amores, this is Massi with Sparkle DIYs. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys this fall DIYs made from Dollar Tree items. I hope you enjoyed this video and love all of these projects as much as I do, and let's begin. For the first project, I'm using this little chalkboard sign from Dollar Tree and big wood crafting sticks. Made a line where I wanted to cut the sticks to create my popsicle stick pumpkin.
Out of sight, whisper inside your heart.
Once that was done, I glued the sticks to the sign.
You did what you knew. Slow down and rest. You've been through.
Then went ahead and painted front and back with a white chalked paint. Now that the paint is completely dry, I'm sanding the front with a sandpaper. For the stem, I cut a piece of a craft stick, then I painted it white, and with a paper towel, I removed some of the paint. I then glued the stem to the back.
There's no looking the other way. And cold stay.
I glue the letters with hot glue. I cut a piece of a Dollar Tree raffia skirt and added glue to the bottom of the sign to glue the raffia. I already had these two little stems. They are from Hobby Lobby. Now I'm making a simple bow using this ribbon from Dollar Tree. You can put your bow on the top or on the bottom. I like the bottom a little bit more than the top, but both ways are super cute. For the stem, I decided to use a Dollar Tree twine.
Standing at the door, I'm on the way. A million things I guess that I should say.
For the second DIY, I got a Dollar Tree foam pumpkin and Dollar Tree yarn. The first step is to remove the stem. Open a small hole in the top center and also one in the bottom center. I then cut a few strands of the yarn about 14 inches long. Then insert one end on one side and the other one on the bottom, just like I'm doing here.
It's all about to master who we are. Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm off the chart. I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. I stand up and take it as I go. I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay.
For the stem, I inserted on the top a little wood log from Dollar Tree. I've been wanting to decorate this year for fall with carved wooden pumpkins, but they can be a little bit too pricey. So I went to Dollar Tree and I found these pumpkins that are perfect for this project. I gave the pumpkins one coat of this antique white acrylic paint just to remove the shine. Then using the same brush, I gave it one coat of this caramel paint. I didn't shake the wax before doing this, so that's why it's so messy. So you really want to give it a good shake before applying it so it's not so liquid and it can look more like this. To apply the wax, I'm using a cloth and a painting brush. I kept applying the wax, blending it with the cloth until I was happy with the results.
Like nobody is watching what we're doing. Like nobody is watching us.
Repeat the same steps on the rest of the pumpkins. You can make as many pumpkins as you want. I will be very busy making a lot of wooden pumpkins, and don't forget to also paint the stems.
Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night.
For the fourth DIY, I got 2 candle holders and 2 glass vases from Dollar Tree. I spray painted the candlesticks with a gold spray paint. And I put tape around the vase where I wanted to spray paint.
Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand.
The spray paint looked a little bit too shiny, so I applied some of the wax that we used on the previous DIY to remove some of that shine. With E6000 glue and hot glue, I glued the glass vases to the candlesticks. These beautiful long florals are also from Dollar Tree. They are super long, so I had to cut a little bit off.
Waiting on the day when we don't feel the same. We've come a long way. Don't ever let it change. No matter where we go, no matter where it ends.
For the fifth DIY, I spray painted this pumpkin wreath with the same gold spray paint. These beautiful flowers are all from Dollar Tree. You can just go ahead and place your flowers just like this if you want, but I thought that it looked a little bit too bulky and stiff for my taste. So I decided to cut them with a wire cutter and tie them together with floral tape.
Good things coming. Put your faith in me. So keep on going. We got good things coming our way.
With a piece of twine, I attached the 2 pieces together. I wish I'd had floral wire, but I didn't have any. Place the flowers in the bottom of the wreath and push them a little bit inside. And with another piece of twine, I secured the flowers to the wreath.
Waiting on the day when we got nothing to say.
And for the final touch, I'm using this ribbon from Dollar Tree.
I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
Not sure if this next project can be called a DIY, but I wanted to share with you guys because I think it's super cute. I spray painted these 2 little Dollar Tree houses with a hunt green spray paint so they can look a little bit more modern, and I also placed these flameless tea candles from Dollar Tree inside.
You will see me flying high, staring into your blue eyes.
Okay, mis amores, thank you so much for watching today's video. See you next week for more DIYs. Bye!